Today we are going to show you the best budget dash cams you can buy right now. We have analyzed the market and listed these 5 best budget dash cams for you. For more amazing tech product reviews and suggestions, please subscribe to our channel. We will try our best to present you with the best tech products that you can buy now. Products links in the description box. In this video, we'll be covering budget dash cams, including what they are, why you may want to choose them, and some of the best options out there. Number 5. The Thinkware F70. The Thinkware F70 typically records video footage in full HD, 1080p resolution, providing clear and detailed images. Dashcams often have a wide-angle lens to capture a broader field of view. The Thinkware F70 may have a wide viewing angle to ensure that a large portion of the road is captured. This feature allows the camera to continuously record footage, overwriting the oldest files when the memory card is full. It ensures that the camera is always recording, and you don't miss any important events. The G sensor is designed to detect sudden movements or impacts. In the event of a collision or sudden braking, the dashcam may lock the current footage to prevent it from being overwritten, preserving it as important evidence. Some dashcams, including the Thinkware F70, may offer a parking mode. In this mode, the camera can be set to record short clips when it detects motion or an impact while the vehicle is parked. This feature allows the dashcam to capture frames at a lower rate, creating a time-lapse recording. It can be useful for capturing events over an extended period while minimizing the storage space used. Some dashcams come with built-in Wi-Fi capabilities, allowing users to connect to the camera via a mobile app. This enables easy access to settings, live viewing, and downloading recorded footage to a smartphone. Dashcams typically use microSD cards for storage. The Thinkware F70 may support a range of microSD card capacities, and it's important to use a high-quality card to ensure reliable recording. Some dashcams offer features that provide alerts for speed cameras, red light cameras, and other potential hazards on the road. The F70 is designed to be compact and discreet, minimizing obstructions to the driver's line of sight. Number 4. The Viofo A119 V3. The A119 V3 supports high-resolution video recording, typically up to 2560x 1600p or 2K resolution. It usually records at a high frame rate, such as 30 frames per second, FPS, or higher, to capture smooth and clear footage. The camera often features a high-quality image sensor, such as the Sony Starvis sensor, which is known for its excellent low-light performance. WDR technology helps in capturing clear images in varying lighting conditions, especially in situations where there are both bright and dark areas. Some models come with built-in GPS capabilities, allowing the camera to log the vehicle's location and speed information along with the video footage. The A119 V3 may have a parking mode that enables the camera to continue monitoring and recording even when the vehicle is parked, triggered by motion or impact. Loop recording ensures that the camera continuously records and overwrites the oldest files when the memory card is full, preventing the need to manually delete files. A built-in G sensor detects sudden acceleration, deceleration, or impacts, and automatically saves the current video clip to a separate folder to prevent it from being overwritten. The camera typically features a wide-angle lens to capture a broad field of view, helping to record a larger portion of the road. Some models use a capacitor instead of a battery for power, making them more heat-resistant and suitable for use in various climates. The design is often compact and discreet, making it less noticeable from outside the vehicle. The A119 V3 usually has an easy-to-use interface and menu system, making it convenient for users to navigate and adjust settings. Number 3. The Nexace V14K. The camera is capable of recording video in 4K resolution, providing clear and detailed footage. A wide-angle lens is typically included to capture a broad field of view, helping to capture more of the surroundings. This feature allows the camera to overwrite the oldest footage with the newest when the memory card is full, ensuring continuous recording. The built-in G sensor can detect sudden accelerations, collisions, or sharp turns. When such events occur, the camera may automatically lock and save the current recording to prevent it from being overwritten. Some dashcams, including the Nexace V14K, may have a parking mode feature. This allows the camera to record incidents even when the car is parked, triggered by motion or impact. Wi-Fi connectivity enables you to connect the dashcam to a smartphone or tablet. This feature is often accompanied by a mobile app that allows you to view and download footage directly to your mobile device. Instead of a traditional battery, some dashcams use a supercapacitor. Supercapacitors are known for their ability to withstand extreme temperatures better than batteries. The Nexace V14K is typically designed to be compact and discreet, mounted on the windshield or dashboard without obstructing the driver's view. Some models may have GPS logging, allowing the dash cam to record the vehicle's speed and location data along with the video footage. The camera may be equipped with motion detection capabilities to start recording when motion is detected in front of the vehicle. Number 2. The Nexbase 222. The Nexbase 222 records video in high definition at a resolution of 1080p, providing clear and detailed footage. The dashcam is equipped with a wide-angle lens that captures a broad field of view, ensuring that more of the road is captured in each frame. The dashcam features a 2.5-inch high-definition IPS screen for easy video playback and menu navigation. The click-and-go mount system allows for easy installation and removal of the dashcam. It also provides a secure and stable attachment to the windshield. Some models may come with GPS functionality, allowing the dashcam to log location data along with the video footage. This feature enables continuous recording by overwriting the oldest footage when the memory card is full. It ensures that the camera is always recording, and important events are not missed. The built-in G-sensor detects sudden changes in motion, such as during an accident or collision, and automatically locks the current video file to prevent it from being overwritten. Some dashcams have a parking mode that can monitor your vehicle even when it's parked. It activates recording if it detects motion or an impact while the car is parked. In the event of a collision, some Nextbase models may have an emergency SOS feature that can alert emergency services and provide location information. The dashcam typically adds a timestamp to the video footage, helping to establish the date and time of recorded events. The Nexbase 222 uses a microSD card to store recorded footage. It's important to note that the microSD card is usually not included with the dashcam. Number 1. The Garmin Dash Cam Mini 2 is a tiny dashcam that puts a focus on simplicity. Instead of overwhelming you with features you'll never use, the Mini 2 captures high-quality HD footage and has a useful set of voice control commands. The video quality is good, the smartphone app works well, and the camera is easy to swap out if you own multiple vehicles. The Mini 2 forgoes features like a touchscreen display in favor of being so small it hides neatly behind your car's rearview mirror. Despite its compact size, the Dashcam Mini 2 records in full HD at 30 frames per second through a 140-degree lens. This puts it a little behind other, larger members of the Garmin Dash Cam family, which shoot at 1440p through wider, 180-degree lenses. This has to be at least 8 GB and the camera supports cards up to 512 GB. There are just 2 buttons on the Dashcam Mini 2. One on the side switches audio recording on and off, while a button on the back saves the most recent section of footage. The camera comes with a choice of USB cables, one short and one long, plus an adapter for powering the dashcam from a 12V lighter socket. The video quality is very good, considering its size and price tag. It shoots 1080p Full HD with HDR and is captured at 30 frames per second through a 140-degree lens. Details like road signs and vehicle registration plates are clear, and footage remains sharp throughout varying lighting and weather conditions. A parking mode is available but requires Garmin's constant power cable, sold separately, which hardwires the Mini 2 to your car. Audio recording is possible and can be switched on or off with a button on the back of the dashcam. All of the best budget dashcams are on our list. Please click the thumbs up icon if you found this video to be helpful. Which budget dashcams would you choose? Let us know what you think by leaving a remark below. Thank you for your time. Click the like button and subscribe to the channel if you found this video to be useful in any way so you won't miss any upcoming updates. All of you who viewed before that, I hope to see you in the upcoming video.